Hello friends, in this video we're gonna see how to enable and disable Hotlink protection, and let's see quick overview what is Hotlink protection is. Let's jump on the video. This video is available in multiple languages. To change the audio, go to settings of the video, click audio track. Now you can change your preferred audio languages. Let's see quickly what is Hotlink protection is. Hotlink protection is a security feature that prevents other websites from directly linking to or hotlinking files hosted on a server. Most commonly, it will be images, videos, audio files, or maybe PDFs as well. Hotlinking happens when another website uses a direct URL for a file. This will cause your bandwidth resources to be consumed on your website. To prevent this, we have to enable hotlink protection. Let's see how to do that. Log into your cPanel directly, search and navigate to security section. Under that, click hotlink protection. Click enable option to enable the hotlink protection. This is done, click go back option. In the URL to allow access, make sure to enter all your website to protect your hotlink. Next, on block direct access section, enter the file format which you want to block. On allow direct request, tick the checkbox. On redirect URL, enter the redirect URL which you want to redirect. If someone tried to hotlink your images or files, you can enter your redirect URL link here and click submit option. I am leaving as default, clicking the submit option. If you want to disable the hotlink protection, click disable button. With this video, you will know how to use hotlink protection. If this video helps you, please like, comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.